Hello everybody, welcome back to my training session, knowledge share called Learn With Me. Today also we are going to continue with the Cloud Integration Platform CPI. Today we will discuss about the multicasting option provided by CPI. Okay, now we will go into the session quickly. Learn with me. Today we are going to see the important topic called multicast. How to do the multicast in CPI. Multicast is nothing but you receive a message and you will be processing in a general way in a CPI, right? Now, once you receive the message, I want to broadcast. That means I want to send it to different types of, not as departments, different types of users. Okay, in a simultaneous way. This is what we are going to see now. For example, I will show you in a diagram. So in a CPI, you receive an incoming message, which is a composite message, contains multiple data, and that data will be sent to different departments based on, not based on, different departments, but the processing logic will be different for each department. When in a very simple way, if I explain you, I receive some sales data. Then I want to send this sales data to multiple departments, like sales the payment received through card payment, the payment received through cash payment, and the payment received through some other process like that. So I will be reading the incoming message and sending the same message to multiple departments based on some logic, right? This is what we are going to see. So how the CPI is going to support us to do the multicast. Okay. For an example, the use case which I am going to take up now is, I have the incoming message, the sales data, shopping log, right? The sales based in the company called Food Plaza. So these are all the transactions happened on that day, that is specific day, for example 1/9/2024. So transaction 1, I delivered some article called in cash, something on some of them are in card, and some of them are in coupon, and some of them are in Bitcoin. These are all the payment type. Okay, based on this payment type, I am going to send the summarized information to the different departments. For example, the processing logic department will take care of the cash payments, department 2 will take care of the card payments, and department 3 will take care of something else like that. So in this case, my output to this department will be like this, summarized information. So this is my incoming message. This incoming message is processed and summarized and send it to one department. The next department will tell you some other payment types, like the card items, then it is the cash items, like that. Okay, so we shall see how it is we are going to use it in the CPI. Now I will go to CPI and explain you. Okay, the CPI screen. I'm into the iFlow called demo multicast. Okay, I started with a blank screen. Now I will do one by one. So now in this case I don't need any content modifier or conversion to XML or nothing like that. I simply process the JSON file directly and send it to the different departments. Okay, so right away I start with the multicast. Okay, how to do the multicast? Then I will do it here. I use a plus. So here I can call multicast. Multicast. Yeah. Now you notice that there are in the multicast there are two types called parallel multicast and sequential multicast. In this session we are going to see a parallel multicast. That means as and when the message is received in CPI, we are going to send it parallelly to all the departments, whatever the department we are going to consider. Sequential multicast is not much different. The only thing is whatever the path you are giving, whatever the department you are going to targeting, and that will be go in a sequential way. That we will see it in the next exercise. But this exercise we will call the parallel multicast. That means the message will be broadcasted parallelly. Okay, I use parallel multicast. That's all. So you will have the property screen. Whatever the name, if you want to change, you can change it here. So at this moment I will keep it as it is. Okay. Now this is the first branch. Okay. What I will do is now I will make it big. Now suppose I want to have one more department. Okay, so one more endpoint. This endpoint I already named as level 1. We can which we can say it as, I will say, cash department. Cash department. Okay. Now I am going to create a one more endpoint called card department. So I will choose it from here. End message. I will put it here. Now I will connect it to the second endpoint. Okay. This endpoint I will name it as, card department. Okay. Now you can see there are two things. One is branch 2. This is, I will call it as card branch. This I will call it as cash branch. Okay. Now you understand the splitting, this casting is ready now. Okay, I will save it. Okay, now I will okay, now assume that we are going to receive it. Once I received it, I want to summarize this information. As I told you, this is the incoming message. I am going to receive it, which will be summarized as this, right? So I need a Groovy script here to summarize it. So what I will do is I will go to first branch. I will create a Groovy script. Groovy script. Okay. Now the Groovy script processing is right now no script is assigned to it. So I will create a script here, or create a script. Okay. By default, it will create some templates. At this moment, I don't want these things. What I will do is I will remove. I will keep it the header portion as it is. I will remove the default things. For the training purpose, I already created one script and keep it ready. I am copying it. Later on you can see that in a step by step. I will also explain the each step also. So I will copy the script now. Okay, I am copying it and paste it here. Okay, so what this one is, this program is going to read the message and looking for only the card items. Okay, now how would I want is, I want to create one more thing called define card summary equal to 0, and this already this splitted array will already have taking a transactions. This transactions, in that one I am going to look for the price. This I will make it as CSUM. What I did is, so the Groovy script, what it is, it read the message, and then the message is looking for the transactions. Transaction is nothing but this one, this items. Read this item and put it in an array. So this transaction will contain all these items. Okay, now then it look for the transaction size. Suppose it says card, right? So it will look for card. So it will this array will have these two items. So the number of card items will be 2, and this is total transactions, right? All this transaction size, that means this transaction size. So that will be in our case it is 5. 1 2 3 4 5 arrays are there, 5 will be there. So this Groovy script will split all the items having card. So this transaction will have the array of 2 elements, and this is a variable. What is the size of this array? So that is I am putting this variable, and total array will be in these transactions. So that I put it in number, and created 2 amount variables. The first sum will do all the amount in the transactions array, and second amount will all the amount in the small transaction. You can see the difference. This is a capital T and small t. Sorry for the confusion. I could have put a correct variable. Okay, now then the builder script will create a JSON file and put it back in the message. This is what the Groovy script is doing now. So finally I will receive an output as I am expecting. So this is how probably it will come here. Another amount called total amount is there, right? I will have to put another amount that I think I missed it. I will go here, processing, and open the Groovy script again. So the total amount, I want to add another item called total. Subtotal is CSUM. Okay. So I will cut and paste this Groovy script in my comments section or description section. You can go through it later also. So this is the steps I am doing in the Groovy script. Just I am splitting the messages tags into variables, and I am using those variables. I am rewriting the message back as a summary form, and message body this one, and return a message. Okay. Now I did it. So first section is over. First section is over. I'll save it. As I told you, I don't want to deploy it now. I will do the simulation. I will start the simulation starting point and simulation ending point. See, the one drawback in the simulation in case of multicasting, you cannot see the endpoint multiple times. You have to see one by one. Okay, now this portion is completed. I will go here and put my input. Input is this one. Control C. Put back. This is my variable, and I will simulate it now. Simulation is successful. So at the beginning of the simulation, my input is as it is what I am sending in the JSON script, and after the cache branch, it is same, no difference, because the splitting it's already splitted, not sorry called already broadcasted. Now it broadcasts only one. Okay, so you can see the two envelopes here. See, branch 1 and branch 2, cache branch and card branch. See, one more envelope is here. Okay, I thought you cannot see the envelopes multi times. I think it is there. I was having misunderstood that. Okay, the here, and at the end of the Groovy script, see the message. See, it is converted. Subtotal 300. So total number of item is 5, card is 2, card item number is 2, and total for the whole sum up is 115. Out of that, card is 300. This is what my summary. So card section will know this one, but in the cache section I did not do any processing. However, it sent to cache section the body as it is. You see the body. See, it sent complete. It sent the complete because we did not do any processing. Okay, same way you can add multiple sections to understand the multicasting, how it works. Okay. If you want, I can do that again with the exercise. I will do it again for the complete exercise now. Okay. Okay. Now I will do the complete exercise so that we will have a full understanding. Okay. Now we have two branches. One is called cache, other one is called card, and what else we want? We want another one called coupon, another one called Bitcoin. Okay, so effectively I need to have four recipients. What I will do is I will create. I will adjust my things. I will create another endpoint, end message. Here called this end message, I will call it as coupon. Okay. Now I will connect this coupon also. If we want fourth also we can do it. I think this space is not sufficient good enough to explain it, so I will keep it with the 3 only. So first cache department will take completed. So this cache, the logic we put it in this Groovy script. Now save it. Now I will create another Groovy script here to handle card. Groovy script. And here, okay, in this Groovy script we don't have any assigned, so I will create a Groovy script. I will put back the same script. Here I will remove all the things. I will put back. In this, it is last time we put as cache, so this time we will put as card. Okay, I will put the same as it is, and the same thing I will do it here. Sum equal to 0, and here I will take transactions, and I will put the same script. Here it is card, and I will put another count here, card total, sum. Okay, so I think all are done. So this is the only difference. The last previous the Groovy script we put cache, and this we put it card. Other things are same as it is. Okay. Okay. It's showing some error. What is that? Script not defined in this script processor step. I don't know what is the difference. Okay. I think this is missing. Yeah, the bracket was missing. So now we saw in this script we saw it as cache. Here also I put cache card. I will put cache. Now let us simulate and see what is the problem. I hope it will run perfectly. Yeah, it is, my input is there. So I will simulate. Yeah, now it is successfully completed. Now you can see now you can see this is my starting point. So it is coming as it is, and before groove script the body remains same, there is no change. After the groove script the body is completed to cache. Okay, the item is cache, it is only 15. So cache is, though the variable name is called item number, but we consider only cache. So if you see compare, you will have only cache of 15. So it is coming here. Now yeah, the simulation we have to set the endpoint every time. It was correct. So what we have to do is, okay, this casting is working fine. Now we have to check for this casting. So I will make the endpoint here. The starting point remains same. I make the endpoint here. Okay, I will do the simulate again. Some oh sorry, I think once we change it the input will multicast processing failed for number 0. Oh, probably what I will do is remove everything. I will put start again and I will put end here. Okay, let me simulate again. Multicast file for number 0. I will remove everything. Okay, let me start again. Starting point. I want to do it in ending point. And I will make Control A, Control C. unexpected token line 42. Okay, there are some mistakes in the Groovy script. I will copy it again. Okay, now it is completed successfully. Because of the Groovy script, we were having the error. So at the beginning of the script, we saw the body here, which is same. At the end of this one, so now it become card. Okay, last. So in case of multicasting, you have to do separately. Okay, so this is how we can do the multicasting. I think you could capture what I'm trying to say. So the CPI gives you an facility to the broadcast your message to the different departments parallelly, either by directly sending all the message as it is you are receiving to multiple departments, or you can do some manipulation on the incoming message and update the message with your relevant information and send it to the respective departments. So this multicasting will give you the parallel processing of the incoming message. Okay, hope this session will help you. The next session I will show you what is this sequential processing. Okay, boys, thank you.